How to send long videos in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as we all know, there is a time limit in Messenger, which does not allow us to send longer videos than 2 minutes or something like that. But if you want to add or send the longer videos, what you will have to do is upload the longer video or the long videos in your drive first. Open your Google Drive, upload that video to Drive, and once the video is uploaded to your Drive, all you have to do is share that Drive link to the Messenger. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.